Apple is planning some seismic iTunes changes if Bloomberg sources are to be believed. Anonymous insiders say Apple is planning to tie iCloud and iTunes even more closely together to improve control over content across the whole range of iDevices. And Bloomberg reports Apple's been in talks with record labels, hoping to introduce a song-sharing mechanic like that found in Spotify. iDownload blog suggests a sharing overhaul is a natural progression. It matches what Apple's been doing with its other properties recently. The sharing aspect of the report is particularly interesting because word is that Apple is looking to get rid of its ping service as it makes way for more popular social networks like Facebook and Twitter, both of which are now deeply integrated into iOS. TechRadar says the shift from ping to more mature networks and the consolidation in the cloud gives everyone more reason to use iTunes. The new changes should mean that Apple can compete with Spotify when it comes to social sharing, and it will simplify the organization needed to handle all that media and the variety of Apple devices in the home. iMore suggests, why not take this chance to make iTunes zippy again? What remains to be seen is whether or not Apple takes any new iTunes version as an opportunity to debloat the aging, saggy app. It's no doubt easier for them to simply port one big app, but at some point doing everything becomes doing nothing, at least not well. The news arrived less than an hour after Google finished its keynote at the I/O Developer Conference in San Francisco on Wednesday, where it showed off new devices that make heavy use of its own cloud-based media store, Google Play. CNN suggests the news of iTunes changes is something of a response from Apple. It probably didn't escape Cupertino's notice that with its new name and new features, Google Play looks an awful lot like iTunes, a one-stop virtual shopping mall for entertainment. Bloomberg sources said iTunes changes will likely appear by the end of the year. For Newsy, I'm Megan Murphy. Multiple sources, the real story.